Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rocket Espresso machine. The customer complained that the lever isn't working correctly, and we haven't done anything to the machine yet. Apparently he did some work on it, and we're just checking to see if the customer is experiencing something different. So he said when the lever is moved into a different position, or that the lever isn't functioning in the right position. So here's pre-infusion, and then there's the full shot. So that seems to be. See, there's a bit of a delay in pumping water. And then eventually it gets going. And we'll just put a back flush disc on here to show that the valve is otherwise working correctly. So no water coming out of the bottom here, and I release and then the water comes out. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.